guys, today we're gonna unbox a TEMU gimbal. Welcome to my channel. Now we're gonna open it. Unwrap it. Okay, now let's unbox it. I might need this scissors for that. This is come from China, and there's Apple support and Android reacts. I need help. There's so many features in there, so let's unbox it. There's so many features, and let's unbox it now. Let's unbox it. It's foil. Here's the gimbal. Oh, and the tripod. And there's a little charging cable for it. And there's lots of things in it. And it comes build, and there's instructions. Now let's take it out. And there's little instruction pads here, and that's it. Now let's put this away and assemble it. This gimbal doesn't stand by its. Let's get the tripod. Screw it on. It's screwed on. Now let's turn the power button. It's right here. Again. It moves is when you do this. It spins around. Let's watch some tutorials.
Receive the device. Install the tripod first. Place the stabilizer on a table. Hold the device with both hands and unfold the folding arm upwards so that the stabilizer faces you in a 7 shape. Making sure the phone holder's clip is facing up. Pull open the phone holder and secure the phone in the center. If your phone's camera is large and heavy, adjust the phone left or right to balance it. After installing the phone, press and hold the power button on the right side for 3 seconds to turn it on. The stabilizer has a built-in extension rod, which can be pulled up and bent to the desired angle for shooting.
To the park with the gimbal.
Let's cross.
Let's cross right here. Okay, let's try coming. Both sides. Now let's go. Right there, full with lots of people. Now let's try with the face tracker. Now we're gonna do it with a face tracker. Let's try with the more video. Thanks for watching my channel.